How to fix taskbar not working in Windows. So if you want to fix your taskbar not working in your Windows, then what you need to do is you need to open up your task manager. So to open that, what you need to do is just simply go with search, and you can search for task manager, or you can just press Control Shift and Escape and your task manager will be open. And once you have the task manager, you need to go all the way down and you will find the Windows Explorer. So you just need to simply go with the Windows Explorer and you just need to simply restart the service. Or you need to simply go and end the service or restart. Once you've restarted, then your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then you need to move on to the next solution, which is you need to open up your control panel. Now once you're here, you need to simply go with the upper right. You can go with large icons or small icons, anything that you're comfortable with. And you can go with user accounts. Now once you go with user accounts, now you just need to simply go and type CMD on your search and go with run as administrator. Click on yes and you'll get the command prompt right here. So enter the command which goes like net space user space your name. For example, I'll be just choosing test and then space /add and then hit enter and the command will be completed successfully. And after that, here you will have manage another account. Click on it and here you will have the other account. So in my case, I've chosen Bob, so which will be your local account. So what you need to do is just simply click on it. And from here, you can change the account name or change the password, or you can simply go with change the account type and choose the administrator. Once you choose administrator, click on change account type and your account type will be changed. Once you've done with these settings, now what you need to do is you just need to simply press Control Alt and Delete. Once you press Control Alt Delete, then you'll get a blue kind of screen and you'll get a lot of options, which is lock, switch user, sign out, change a password, or task manager, right? So you just need to simply go with switch user and then you need to switch your user type and it will take you to the next account, which is the test account, which we've just created. And you need to enter your password and after that, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix your taskbar not working in your Windows. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.